Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial on statistics. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about the shape of a distribution, and in this course, it's going to be the frequency distribution. When we plotted a graph, for example, plotted the on the histogram graph, normally you realize that you could draw vertical lines through the middle, and you realize that the graph will be mirror images of the other. The left side is going to be the same as the right side. Sometimes though, you're not gonna have that. Sometimes you're gonna have the left side having more of the bars than the right side, and the other way too. You're gonna have the right side having more of the bars than the left side. When that happens, we say that the graph is skewed. It's skewed because it extends more to the left or more to the right. We also have some of these graphs that have the same frequencies. So when that happens, also you're gonna have a uniform equal graph, so that we give them different names. So we're going to look at the 4 different ways the distribution can be shaped, and then we explain why it is the way it is. Alright, so the first thing I want to talk about today will be the first shape that I want to, will be the symmetric shape. Symmetric shape. Now the symmetric shape of the graph means we say that a vertical line could be drawn through the middle of the graph, and then what happens? It will result in mirror images. Mirror images. The next thing I'd like to talk about will be the uniform one, the uniform shape. Uniform shape. And the uniform shape, all entries have equal frequency. So let's write it down. All entries have equal frequencies. Third one I'd like to talk about will be left skewed shape. Left skewed shape. The last one will be the right skewed shape. Right skewed. Now, what is a left skewed shape? Left skewed shape is the tail extends to the left. So you have the tail extending to the left. Extends. Oh my God! Extends to the left. And the right skewed shape, tail extends to the right. So, but you have to see the shapes. So let's go ahead. I have a picture of these shapes to discuss them. Look at the shapes that I got here. The first one, which is symmetrical, you see it's a normal distribution. You could draw a line between the two, and it's going to be a mirror images of the other. The left side is going to be equal to the right side. The next thing was the uniform. The uniform one, the frequency is the same. And so you realize that they have the same frequency. These are all histogram graphs, but they have the same frequency here. The other shape you commonly see is the left skewed. Now, the left skewed is that most of the tail extends to the left. So you realize that this part, the tail extends to the left. And then the right skewed, that means the shape will extend to the right. So these are the basic shapes you're going to find when you plot a graph. Any other thing would not, we will consider them sometimes not a part of the shapes that we know of. Alright guys, I hope this tutorials went well, and the next tutorials we're going to take a different look at statistics.